Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I got taper cut hairstyle for my divas. It's been a while I made this video, and more like a special request because I got a lot of black sisters that love this hairstyle. So this is not your regular hairstyle, not the regular taper cut hairstyle, shift side hairstyle, be it just the back shift side. Some people like shaving only the back, while some shave the two sides, left, right, while others shave like the whole back and the two sides. So whatever way you like shaving your hair, I got all wrapped up in this video. So I don't want to waste much of your time. I don't want to talk too much. I just want us to watch this video. Definitely you're going to see a style that you would love. Yes, you will definitely love it. They are all wrapped up here. Just watch this video till the end. Wow, this is gorgeous. Lovely. There are different styles, the lines, the fine lines added to it, and how they braid it, how they cut the hair. The video is all here. Don't forget, this video is for educational purpose, to give you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion. Please, let's just keep watching this video. The video is not ending now.